So you've got a ceramic coating on your car and you're probably wondering, can I still use waterless wash without messing it up? Today I'm testing the top 5 waterless car washes specifically for ceramic coatings to see which ones actually protect your investment. I've got everything from graphene-enhanced formulas to old school favorites, and honestly, some of these surprised me. All the links are in the description if you want to check them out. Let's dive in. First up, Adam's Graphene CS3 Waterless Car Wash. It's a 16-ounce bottle, and right away, the spray consistency is really nice. Not too thick, not watery. So I sprayed this on a dusty panel, and the lubrication is actually impressive. You know how some waterless washes feel like you're dragging dirt across the paint? This doesn't do that. It's got graphene in it, which supposedly makes it stronger than regular ceramic sprays, and honestly, the slickness is noticeable. The claim is 90 days of protection per application, which is pretty wild for a spray-on product. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and the water beading is still going strong. It doesn't streak either, which is huge because I've tried cheaper ones that leave this hazy residue. One thing I really like, it works on literally everything. Paint, glass, trim, wheels. I even used it on the plastic trim and it didn't leave that weird white residue some products do. It's pricey. You're paying premium for the graphene tech. And the 16-ounce bottle goes faster than you'd think if you're doing full washes. But if you want that next level protection and you've already invested in a ceramic coating, this is worth it. Amazon link is in the description below. Pros. Graphene protection lasts up to 90 days. Extremely slick, high lubrication formula works great. Safe on all surfaces, including trim. Completely streak-free application and finish every time. Cons. Premium pricing compared to other options. 16-ounce bottle runs out fairly quickly. Alright, let's move on to Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. This is the 16-ounce version, and it's one of those products that's been around forever, so I was curious how it holds up. First thing, this has crazy high lubrication. Like, you can feel it immediately when you start wiping. That's important because the whole point of waterless wash is not scratching your paint, and this formula really minimizes that risk. It's got these optical sealants in it, which basically means it's leaving behind a protective layer while you clean. The shine you get is really good. Not like graphene level deep gloss, but it definitely makes the paint pop. I tested this on a black car, which shows everything, and I didn't get any swirl marks. The key is using clean microfiber towels and not being lazy about it, but the product itself does most of the heavy lifting. One thing I noticed, it's super safe on ceramic coatings. Some waterless washes can strip or dull coatings over time, but this one is specifically designed to work with them. After a few uses, my coating still beads water like day one. The downsides, it doesn't add as much protection as the Adams or some of the ceramic-specific ones. It's more of a maintenance product, and if your car is really dirty, you'll need to use a lot of product to get it clean. But for the price and the brand reputation, this is solid. It's beginner-friendly too, which I appreciate. Pros. High lubrication prevents scratching on paint. Safe for all ceramic coating types. Excellent shine with optical sealants included. Beginner-friendly and easy to use correctly. Cons. Less long-term protection than ceramic sprays. Requires more product on heavily soiled cars. Now let's see how Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Waterless Car Wash. This is the 16-ounce version, and it's marketed as a 3-in-1, which means it's supposed to wash, wax, and coat all at once. Right off the bat, this stuff smells way better than most car products. Sounds dumb, but when you're detailing in a garage, it matters. The spray nozzle is also really good. Fine mist, even coverage. So the claim here is 6 to 12 months of protection, which is bold. I've only been using it for a month, but the hydrophobic effect is legit. Water sheets off like crazy, and it's still going strong. The application is super easy. Spray, wipe, done. It doesn't require a second buffing towel like some products, which saves time. And the mirror-like finish? Yeah, it's real. This gave me one of the glossiest results out of all 5. The ceramic coating aspect works well too. I used it on top of an existing coating, and it didn't cause any issues. Actually boosted the beading a bit. Some people complain it attracts dust after application, and I did notice that a little bit. Not a deal breaker, but if you park outside in a dusty area, you might see it. Also, the 16-ounce bottle is smaller than I'd like for the price. But overall, if you want that super shiny protected look without spending an hour detailing, this is a great option. Pros: true 3-in-1 formula saves time detailing. Mirror-like finish with excellent gloss results. Long-lasting hydrophobic protection for months. Made in USA with quality ingredients. Cons: can attract dust shortly after application. Smaller bottle size for the price. All right, Turtle Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Waterless Car Wash. This is a 32-ounce bottle, so you're getting double the product compared to most of these, which is nice for the price. Turtle Wax has been around forever, but this Hybrid Solutions line is their newer ceramic stuff, and honestly, it's way better than their old school products. The ceramic formula here is solid, it cleans well, adds that hydrophobic layer, and gives a good shine. Not the absolute highest gloss I've seen, but it's definitely noticeable. What I like about this one is the value. You're getting more product for less money and it still performs. It's safe on all exterior surfaces: paint, glass, trim, wheels, and I didn't have any issues with streaking or residue. The longevity is decent. It's not going to last as long as the graphene or some of the premium ceramic sprays, but for regular maintenance, it's perfect. I'd say you're looking at a few weeks of solid water beading before you need to reapply. Downsides: the protection level isn't as advanced as the pricier options, and the shine, while good, isn't quite at that mirror finish level. But again, you're paying significantly less, so it's a trade-off. If you're on a budget or you just want something reliable from a brand you trust, Turtle Wax is a safe bet. Pros: larger 32 Oz bottle offers great value, safe on all exterior surfaces consistently. Trusted brand with solid ceramic formula. Good hydrophobic protection for regular maintenance. Cons: protection doesn't last as long term. Shine level not quite mirror finish quality. Last one, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Waterless Wash. This is 24 ounces, and Meguiar's is another brand that's been in the game forever. This product has ceramic chemistry built in, and you can feel it. The slickness during application is really smooth, and the no scratch formula actually works. I used this on a freshly ceramic coated car, and it didn't dull or strip anything. The water beading you get is impressive, like really good. It builds up over time too. So the more you use it, the better the hydrophobic effect gets. That's cool because you're essentially maintaining and enhancing your coating at the same time. The high lubricity is a big plus. You're not going to scratch your paint if you're using decent towels and proper technique. And it works on glass, metal, trim, everything. The 24-ounce bottle is a middle ground size, so it's not the best value compared to the Turtle Wax. And while the shine is good, it's not quite as dramatic as the Shine Armor or Adams. But this is a really safe, reliable choice. If you're maintaining a ceramic coating and you don't want to risk messing it up, Meguiar's is a solid pick. Pros: ceramic chemistry enhances existing coatings safely. High lubricity prevents scratches during washing. Water beading improves with repeated use. Works on all surfaces without issues. Cons: mid-size bottle not the best value. Shine not as dramatic as competitors. If you want the absolute best protection and you don't mind spending more, Adams Graphene CS3 is the top performer. The 90-day protection and that deep gloss are unmatched. For the best value and ease of use, Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe is hard to beat. It's reliable, safe, and beginner-friendly. If you want that crazy mirror shine and long-lasting protection, Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat delivers. Budget option, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, you get a lot of product and it works well for regular maintenance. And if you're all about enhancing your ceramic coating safely, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic is the way to go. So yeah, hopefully this helped you decide which waterless wash is right for your ceramic coated car. All the links are in the description if you want to grab any of these. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.